Hello friends, welcome back to the Question Vlogger channel. And for today's video, I have something special actually. The thing is, recently I have been doing unboxing, so I thought of showing you some of the books which I have in my library. So this place I call it as my library actually. Around 300 to 400 books may be present here right now, in which around 300 books are of English, and remaining 100 to 150 books belongs to my dad, which is at the back, which is in Kannada actually. So I don't read much of Kannada. So coming back to today's topic. So today's topic is Kevin Mitchell's books. So Kevin is a very good author. So his image might be coming on the screen right now. So as I said, he's a very good author. At the age of 14, he started writing novels, and when it comes to pure literature and fantasy type of stuff, you have to read Kevin's books. So I would first of all devote this video to Mr. Kevin Mitchell actually for the wonderful books which he has brought to us. So coming up with the books, so this is the Kalki trilogy. You can see three books in my hand. So Dharma Yodha Kalki, Satya Yodha Kalki, and Mahayodha Kalki. Three books are there. So starting off with Dharma Yodha Kalki, Avatar of Vishnu. In this book, Kalki is introduced where he doesn't know about himself and soon comes to know that he is not a normal man. Then in the second part, that is Eye of Brahma, Satya Yodha Kalki, the story still continues further. I'm not going to give any detailed review in this video because first of all I don't want to waste time in that, and I guess there are a lot of booktubers who have been doing reviews, sorry, not videos, reviews on these stuff. So I leave that part to them. So my work is mainly to say you how you can get these books for a very cheaper price. So these three books, next is the Mahayodha Kalki, so Sword of Shiva. So these three books I got it in the combo for I guess just 500 rupees in Amazon. So you have to keep searching. A lot of people comment and ask how you can get books at a so cheaper price. So you have to keep on checking your apps, and there are two ways to reduce a book's price. So what mainly I do is first I keep the book in the cart for a couple of days or time, and I get notified if the price goes down. And if the price goes too down, I go and purchase it. I just purchase it. I don't bother how it is. So that is about the Kalki ones. So this I guess back in 2017, 18 and 19 he had launched these three books. So I truly like these books, friends. So I recommend you people to read it also. So keeping these books aside, next was Ravan Putra Meghnad. So this was the book I bought in second year. Those books I bought it in first year, I guess. So this is Ravan Putra Meghnad. Unfortunately, he didn't do a trilogy on this. So I wanted him to do a series on this also, like how he keeps beautiful names like Dharma Yodha, Satya Yodha, Mahayodha. So I thought he would keep a good name and create like Ravan Putra Meghnad, then Ravan himself, then other books like how Amish has done in his trilogies. So about Ravan Putra Meghnad, it's like he just showed how strong Meghnad is compared to any other devils or Ravan himself actually. So keeping this book aside, next comes so one more thing I wanted to say you people, that is these are not completely true stories. So he has created his own ideas and fictions in this. So it's not the true story of Meghnad. There are some changes here and there. Now coming to the next favorite book of mine, and the most favorite book color also, purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors. So this is Narasimha book 1 of Narasimha trilogy, that is Mahavatar trilogy. So this is book 1, that is Narasimha. This is book 2, that is Hiranyakashap, and book 3 is yet to come. I don't know when it will get launched. So book 3 is Prahalad. So I am waiting for that one also. So this book I have not read it. I just got it last year in lockdown for a cheaper price. And this book I have read it completely. Beautiful writings, and in this book it's like the perspective of seeing Narasimha is different. There are a lot of lion-headed people in this. There's a tribe, so you can understand the story is different, not the true or mythological one. A little bit of changes, like how Mr. Devdutt Patnaik does his books on different aspects, like the Mahabharata, which he had launched a few years ago. I have that book, and soon I'll do a video on that also. So these are like my favorite authors actually: Kevin Missal, Devdutt Patnaik, then Ashwin Sanghai, then sorry if I pronounce the names wrong. So I pronounce them like that because it's easier for me to remember them actually. So in the past 3 to 4 years, especially past 2 years, I guess, I have completely fallen in love with novels and reading. Reading is a very good art. If you develop it in your early life, it's good for you. And what can I say? It develops your English. Maybe my English is not so high, but I would like to inform you people that my English was not so good long back. So coming to the books part, so the Kalki ones I have read it, the Narasimha I have read it, and Ravanputra Meghnad I have finished. Only Hiranyakashap is remaining. I am waiting for Prahalad so that I can read 2 books at a time. So friends, I hope you liked this edition, this video where I have described Kevin Missel's books edition. So please try buying these books and reading them. Very, very, very good ideology, and very good writing skills also. So thank you friends for watching the video. I hope you like this video, and please like, share and comment so that I quickly cross the 1K mark in case of subscribers. So until next time folks, bye.